Welcome. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can turn your oat to flour. So I bought free and 100% natural oat. This is it. So I empty this bag so that I can put the flour in there. This is the oat. So I'm doing this so it will be easy for me to turn it to milk, to add to my smoothie, to just take it as my swallow, just to make it easy. You know, some people don't like taking oat like this. I don't like taking oat like this. I don't like it at all. Taking oat like this, I don't like it. So I love to turn my oat to flour. I use it for bread, for swallow, for pancake, for bun, anything you can add it to anything. Just make sure as you're adding it, you add flour. I add to my milk, anything. Just so before I start, I put a little quantity here, so I'll start now. First of all, crush it to smaller size. And remove and shake. Blend the remaining smoothly. You can see it's turning to powder already, so you can do that to anything. You can do that to anything that you don't like taking as it is. Just turn it to this. See that this is what I do to anything I can take like that. I can take in that form, crunch it to flour, and I'll see if I can take. That's how I will do the remaining. The rest, and I'll pack it.